up. We're going up, up, up.
We're going up, 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 up. Euphoria. Never lost a beat.
Cool to see here where there are a lot of trees. You see that the trees are at least 4 meters high. And when you have a closer look, a lot of people don't know that, but the trees are cut off straight at least 4 meters height and then go straight down. When you see the trees now, you see that's not the natural form of the trees. All bus drivers, truck drivers know that, but for people who have only a driver's license for a car, a moped or something like that, have to look at the little kid. This is the Netherlands. I used to ride the bike with my father when I was a kid like that. My father was riding his bike, holding his steer. I go a little bit right, so we have more place. He thanks me. We go back to the center. My wheels at the maximum left of the, how do you say that? Maximum left of the lane. Now I'm waiting for cyclists. They stop, so then I can go. Thank you. This is interesting.
Trajecten, school van Sarah. Zo gaat het. Of hij vond leuk, zag je? Dat was aan je klein, zo groot. Leuk massage. Hallo. Ja. Wat wij zijn? Dit is zo? Ik denk dat het nog even. Ook zo'n billen goed zijn. Gewoon een poster van. Hey. Oh. Hey. Ik gaat die. Ga richting 1. Ik ben elektriciteit. 1. Ja, ik heb elektriciteit.